Donald Trump made a comment about India and rice imports. Yes, he has been having problems with that for a long time. And now let's break it down step by step. What exactly did Donald Trump said? Well, Donald Trump basically questioned why India can send large amount of rice to the United States without paying extra taxes or tariffs. In other words, he felt like India was getting a free pass while American products supposedly faced more restrictions or higher fees when it is being sold in India. Now, why does he care about it so much? Specifically, I'll tell you what. This is connected to a long standing issue in a global trade. Countries often argue about who gives fair treatment to whom. During his presidency, Donald Trump repeatedly said that US was being taken advantage of in trade deals and that other countries were benefiting more from selling their goods in the US than Americans were getting opportunity while selling it to other countries. So when Trump pointed out at Indian rice, it wasn't just about rice, it was a part of his bigger argument that trade rules need to be fair and reciprocal. Well, he's the same Trump who put up 50% extra tariff on India, so I don't think he's on the position to say that. But India exports many products to the US, including rice, especially basmati rice. So now this type of move usually meant to be put pressure on the other country, encourage them to negotiate for better trade and terms, protect local farmers or industries out there. Trump, since the very start, he has been claiming that he wants to empower everything in America. Trump have often used tariffs as a bargaining tool in negotiation with countries like China, India, Mexico, Canada, and European Union.